everyone, I have a new cake again for the lovely lady. She's 21 years old, and the request of the customer, she loved a purple and the strawberry. I add in the toppings later. And this is the vanilla icing and vanilla sponge, and then I add the final cover is fondant icing. Yan. Pero rush hour ito mga dear kasi 2 days lang siya nag-request. Hindi ko sana tanggapin kasi nakiusap lang. And then kasi kung rush hour tayo, katulad niyan, merong look is very medyo may siya, hindi siya straight yung line. Kasi hindi na yung ating buttercream icing, yung matigas. Malambot pa kasi siya. Kaya kailangan mo talaga siya ilagay sa fridge with one night, whole night. Kaya ito ang kinalalabasan ng ating cake. But in a way, it's a little bit better now kasi pero mamaya ito kukunin, rush hour talaga. Kaya kahit sana mga mamayang hapon, pero this is they collect 12 hours 12 to 12 noon. Sorry my dear. And then now we start off our cake. Ilalagyan ko yung white chocolate on the top. Para yung natin, yung fruits, yung strawberry, na permanent steady siya. Para maganda siya tingnan. I love the color. This is my color of my sweet lavender. And then I add now the strawberry. Lots of strawberry in the toppings. Okay. And then, ilagay natin yung kanyang name. And then, I don't know the toppings. I want the happy birthday like this, but nag-crack yung ating ano. Kaya, papalitan na lang natin. Hindi siya maganda yung pag walang flour. But I try this later. Kasi sa pag-deliver ng ano, yung ano natin, nag-crack. I try this but it's not really nice for me because it's like the just only I have. Ayan. Thank you everyone. See you again in the next video. Thank you for watching my videos and reels and live. See you again. Thank you everyone. Bye-bye.